Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing your location on Grindr in 2025. Whether you're traveling or just want to explore, we've got you covered. First up, let's understand Grindr's location features and why they matter. Grindr uses GPS data to connect you with other users nearby. To get started, open Grindr and navigate to your profile settings. Tap on the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Now, let's walk through the manual location update process. Under Location, select Set Manually and enter your desired location. Alternatively, you can utilize Grindr's location services. Make sure your GPS is enabled for real-time updates on your location. If you want to appear in a different city entirely, consider using a VPN. Here's how to utilize it effectively to change your Grindr location. Sometimes, you may face issues while changing your location. Here are some common problems and how to troubleshoot them. Remember, while changing your location can be fun, it's vital to consider your privacy. Avoid sharing too much personal information. Once you've updated your location, it's crucial to test it. Check if your profile appears to users in the desired area. To wrap it up, we've covered everything from using GPS and VPNs to troubleshooting. You're now ready to change your location on Grindr.